Welcome class. In this video we are going to work out the linear regression. You can subscribe to prof.ob, then you can watch more of this. The calculation of our sample size n equals to 10 are given below. N equals to 10. These are 10 values going down. The linear regression model is given by y is equals to a plus bx. So we will want to ascertain this value or this model of the linear regression. But first, let us interpret this table. This is distance in miles, distance x in miles, time in minutes, represented by y. Then we have values here. I've written x, y, x squared, and y squared. Now, the distance is represented by x. Represented by x are 3.5, 2.4, 4.9, 4.2, 3.0, 1.0, and so on. Now, the values of x are these ones. The values of y are here. If you multiply x times y, you are just multiplying 3.5 times 16, you get 56.0. 24.4 times 13, you get 31.0. The same applies to x squared. X squared, you now square the values in this column. 33.4 is equals to 12.25. And again, if we tested this one, 3.0 is equals to 9.0. So they are just square of these values. Then again, we can also give and get the square of y squared. Y squared are the squares of this value. 16 times 16 is 56. 13 times 13 is 169. So it's just a simple value. I've already worked out for you up to that end. It is very important for us to get these values. Why? Because we will be requested to work out the summation of all those values. We shall be requested to work out the summation of x, summation of y, and so on and so forth. For instance, the summation of values in x, we need to get them. The summation of x values, we need to get it. We are just adding 3.5, we add 3.5, 2.4, until we finish with 4.1. So the values we are going to get here, if we add carefully, is 28.9. Very important for us to note. Again, if we get the summation of y, we are just adding 16 plus 13 until we finish with 13. The answer we are going to get is 36. 136 is 136. Now, we also need summation of xy. Summation of xy, we are adding 56.0 plus 31.0. The last value is 65.6. Here we will get 435.3. 435.3. Again, now if we do the same, we will also get the summation of x squared, which is very important. Now the summation of x squared, we will get it as 99.4. And then again, now the summation of x of y squared, if we added it properly, we will get 1894. Now these values are very important. Why? Because they will help us to work out the slope b and the intercept a. So what is the formula of getting the slope b? What is the formula of getting the slope b? To work out the slope b, we use this method. To work out the slope b, we use this method. We say n summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y, everything will be over n summation of xy squared minus the square of summation of x. Now that one is very key. So when we work out all the values, we will get 10 times 435.3 28, we multiplied by 28.9 times 136. Everything we put under 10. 99.4, 99.4, 99.41, 99.41. All these this one we square, then we subtract 28.9, the square of 28.9. Now if you work out that carefully, you will get 422.6 over 158.9. The answer is 2.66. Now 2.66 is the slope b, but we also need to get the intercept. We need to get the intercept. We also need to get the intercept A. Now for us to get the intercept A, we will work out as follows. Give me a minute. Intercept A. What is intercept A? For us to work out the intercept A, we will get it as follows. We will say x summation of x minus b summation of y minus b summation of x over the n. This formula will assist us to get the intercept A. So in our values that we got, we know that y is 136. So 136 multiplied by b B, we already gotten 2.66, so we shall say 2.66 times 28.9. Everything we shall put over 10. Now, these values we had already gotten them. The value of B is 2.66. 136 is the summation of y here. Is summation of y. 136 is the summation of y. And then we have the value of B is equals to 2.66. So we had already gotten it here. We just insert the values. When we work out carefully, we will get the answer as 59.1. But we know that the equation we need to ascertain is y is equals to a plus bx. So we already have the b and the a. We shall just say y is equals to, the value of b is, remember this is 5.91. So the value of b is 5.91. The value of a is 5.91 plus 2.66x. Now we have ascertained this equation of linear regression. We have ascertained this equation and we have gotten it to be like that. And I want you to subscribe to this channel for us to get the other statistic questions. Welcome. See you once again.